This is a video of how I use my anchor. It all fits in this little bag that I could store back in my box or wherever. First thing I do is unzip the thing and get it out of the bag. Everything on here is either from Amazon or Walmart. I got the anchor, the 3-pound anchor from Walmart, and the first thing I usually do is I deploy the anchor. I set out the tangs on it anyway. Okay. Then I disconnect the carabiner here where I have it hooked into where all the lines wrapped up. That way I can pan out how much line I want. Get this carabiner off. Okay. So then what I'll do is I'll decide how much line I want. I'm going to put the anchor over just to get it out of the way here for the video. Okay, so I'll decide how much line I want to put out. And on mine, I have little pink markers every 10 feet, so that gives me an idea how much to unwind. After I unwind however much I want, then I take the carabiner that's hooked up to the 2 buoys and the actual bigger line that's going to hook to my kayak, and I hook it off on here. That way no more line will deploy, but I'll be hooked up to my kayak. So then I'll throw this all over the side, including the buoys and stuff, and I take the line and I run it through my anchor trolley. That allows me to move my anchor line forward or aft, depending on how I want it to sit. And I bring the line back inside the kayak and I hook it into my cleat here. Give it a little tug to make sure it's biting. I put a little knot in it there to make sure it grabs, and then I'm good. If a wake or something comes along and I want to break free of my anchor, I just pull on the line, let it go, and when things are safe again, and I just turn back around and I go find the two floating buoys and pick up my line, and I'm good to go. And that's how I deploy my anchor.